So I've got this really cool car air pump. It has a 6000 milliamps battery. You can inflate about 4 tires before you might need to plug it in, but you can also plug it in if you run out of the battery. You can plug it in on your car's socket, and you can inflate bike tires, balls as well. It has different presets. You can see also it has like a digital screen as well, showing you the PSI, the pressure. And you can also use it as a power bank, so you can charge your phone as well. Besides that, it also has a light that can be used as a strobe and other features. So let's unbox it and check it out and inflate some tires. Okay, let's open this up on the side here. There we go. We have a user manual, smart electric pump. Then we have the actual pump here and some other accessories. Let's check them out. So I have this for inflating different things, so like ball, bike tires and different things. And we also have a charger. We can actually charge the battery as well, separate in the house, which is really cool. Then we have the cable that connects to the car's socket. There we go. And that's the tube for the air that goes on the pump. And we also have a pouch, really cool. There we go, you can keep it in the pouch, really nice. Let's check the pump now. So that's how it looks. That's where the tube for the air pressure goes. And then we have USB-C, USB-A, then we have the light right here on top, and then on the bottom we have where we can charge it. Let's take this foil off. There we go. And now we can turn it on. We can see the display here. It shows the battery, the PSI. Really cool. If we press here, we have the light. And then if we press here, we can change the different presets. So as you can see, for different type of balls, bicycle, a motorcycle, and a car. And then this is like normal. And here we can select the pressure. How high do we want it? We go for car. Then we can press this once and then it will start pumping. But for that we'll need to add this as well. There we go. And now, yeah, I'm probably not holding properly with my finger. And now let's use it on the car. Let's inflate some tires.